I have inherited my parents' home 3 years ago and have lived in the home ever since. If I sell it, will I sell it for more? And if I sell it for more than 250,000, how does that value? How does the value of that when I've inherited get figured? In other words, so they're saying it was worth one value when the parents passed away, but now because they've lived in it, it's accrued value, and now they want to sell it, but it would have based on the time that they were passed away.
Okay. So the Internal Revenue Code has a good provision left over in it called the step-up basis. The step-up basis says that when he inherited this home a few years ago from his parents, at that moment in time, when he inherited it, if the home at that moment in time was worth $250,000, and now 3 years later it's worth $275,000, he's going to pay capital gains on his $25,000 profit. So his basis for capital gains purposes is the value at the moment that he inherited it.
If the children intend to stay in the house, or one of them intends to move into the house, or they intend to keep it, that would be a reason that they may want to have an appraisal done.
Right.
At the time that parents pass away. Most of the time, children are selling it right away, and that's when the value is what it is, and that's when the capital gains is going to be zero.
Right.
2 minutes.
But it's just that this is a good point where this is a child that inherited parents' house, and oftentimes we are sharing this information with the parents.
Yeah, so if mom has passed away and you've inherited a home and your intention is to sell that home in 6 to 9 months, hey, you don't need an appraisal. We can assume that what you sell it for was what it was worth on the day that mom passed away.
Exactly.
If your intention is to live in that home for a few years, then yeah, you would want to get an appraisal done so you could prove to the IRS what it was worth when mom passed away.
Exactly.
This is called the step-up basis. Once again, no guarantee that's always going to be there. I read in the paper every once in a while that Congress thinks about getting rid of the step-up basis, so it's there, it's a good thing, and hopefully it will continue to be around.